your right hand, please. You do swear the testimony you're about to give relative to the cause and honor consideration shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
My question to you is, has any law enforcement agency recently contacted you and attempted to interview concerning their investigation of you and other archdiocesan officials in your and their role in the handling of clergy sex abuse?
I don't know the nature of their inquiry, but not long ago, perhaps before Christmas, I don't recall exactly, two St. Paul police officers reached out, left a letter for me because I wasn't absent. I wasn't present. I was saying Mass at the time. I turned the letter over to my attorney and asked my attorney to...
Don't tell them what you told me.
Did you talk to the law enforcement officers that sought to speak to you?
I did not.
And how have you worked with them then recently in their investigation? What have you done?
There's been no further contact from St. Paul in recent months. So
what efforts have you made to cooperate with them?
there have been no further contact from them in recent months. So.
Have you ever reached out to them to provide them information?
No.
Why not?
That's, I don't see what would be appropriate about that.
You don't want them to know what you know?
One doesn't simply call the police and say, "I'd like to come in for a chat, ladies and gentlemen."
If you have evidence of a crime and crimes being committed, either past or current, don't you think that's something they could and should know?
I'm imagining we'll have a chance to address a number of those things today.
Yeah, but don't you think it's also a matter for the police, not just us?
Well, I'm also imagining you'll have a chance to pass the information along to the police.
So is it your expectation that you would wait till this deposition and be required to sit for this deposition, that the police would get the information?
You know, the police have been in a position to reach out to me insofar as they'd wanted to. I've had no reach out from them for multiple months.
But you chose not to talk to them, right?
That's correct.
So them reaching out to you isn't going to get them anywhere because you're not going to talk to them, right?
I'm not in their head. I can't tell you what their thinking is.
Well, if they come over here today at the end of this deposition and ask to talk to you, are you going to talk to them?
Do you want me to speculate about that sort of thing?
I'm going to ask you if you're going to tell them,
Okay.
if you're going to talk to them.
If I don't want to deal with the hypothetical. Deal with the police when they contact me.
Well, the police investigation is not hypothetical. You know it's ongoing, right?
I don't know that.
I'm telling you it is.
Okay.